Welcome. Today we'll walk you through the simple steps to update your profile photo on X, formerly known as Twitter. Whether you're refreshing your look or adding a personal touch, this guide will help you make the change effortlessly. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your smartphone or tablet. Locate the app on your home screen or app drawer and tap to launch it. Once inside the app, navigate to your profile by tapping your current profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you directly to your personal profile page. Next, tap on your profile photo. A menu will appear with several options. Select Choose Existing Photo to pick an image from your device's gallery. Browse through your gallery and select the photo you want to use as your new profile picture. Once chosen, you'll have the option to adjust the image. You can zoom in, crop, or reposition it to ensure it looks perfect. Finally, tap Save to apply the changes. Your new profile photo is now updated and visible to everyone who visits your profile. And that's it. Changing your profile picture on X is quick and easy. If this guide was helpful, be sure to share it with others who might need assistance. Thanks for tuning in, and happy customizing.